Hi everyone, welcome to English Talks. Have you ever wanted to talk about what's happening right now in English, like what people are doing at this moment? Well, today I'm going to show you the secret to speaking English naturally about actions happening right now, and it is called the present continuous tense. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will be able to describe anything happening around you instantly. Okay, let's start with the formula. Present continuous is super easy. It's subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. For example, I'm eating, or she's reading, or they are playing football. Notice the to be part changes depending on the subject. I, am, you, we, they are, he, she, it, is. And then we just add the verb with ing. Easy, right? So, when do we use the present continuous? There are three main situations. Number one, actions happening right now. They are watching TV, or she's cooking dinner. Number two, temporary actions. For example, I'm staying at my friend's house this week. And number three, future plans. And it's informal, like I'm meeting my teacher tomorrow. There's a tip. If you want to emphasize that something is happening at this very moment, always use present continuous. Okay, let's see some real-life examples. For example, look, the kids are running in this park. Or listen, the birds are singing. Oh no, my phone is not working. To describe what's happening around you right now, using the present continuous. Comment your sentences below and I will check them. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video if it's helping you, and subscribe to my channel English Talks for more English tips every week. Hit the bell so you don't miss my new videos. Let's make it a bit more interesting. How do we make negatives and questions? For negative, just add not after the verb to be. For instance, I am not sleeping, or he's not studying. And for the question, invert the subject and to be. Are you listening to me? Is she playing guitar? Please practice and practice and practice saying some negatives and questions about what is happening around you. Let's do a quick challenge. I will say something and you try to make it in present continuous. Let's go. Number one, I cook dinner. Number two, they watch movie. Number three, she not sleep. Write your answers in the comments. I love seeing your progress. That's it. Today you learned the present continuous tense, how to form it, when to use it, and how to make negatives and questions. Remember, practice every day by talking about what's happening around you, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who want to improve their English. See you next time on English Talks.